This Wodillo Nonstick frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a fantastic nonstick coating. This makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even poultry without worrying about them sticking. The ease of flipping food in this pan is truly remarkable, and the durable exterior resists scratches. The Wodillo Nonstick frying pan skillet has an induction base. This means it works on all types of stovetops, including induction. The hard-anodized construction makes it very durable. It can withstand high temperatures in the oven, up to 420 degrees F. Plus, cleaning is simple because it is dishwasher safe. This skillet offers both convenience and performance for everyday cooking. Overall, the Wodillo Nonstick frying pan skillet is a reliable choice. Its nonstick surface is like an art, preventing food from sticking. Water glides right off during washing. While Wodillo may not be a major publishing brand, their focus on quality cookware shines through. If you want a pan that makes cooking and cleaning easy, and can handle a bit of heat, this 10-inch skillet is a solid pick and a great value. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: induction base, hard anodized, durable build, oven safe, 420 degrees F. Dishwasher safe, easy cleanup, less oil needed, healthy cooking, good food release. Comfortable handle. Cons: non-stick coating lifespan, may scratch easily, hand wash recommended, aluminum material, not the thickest base, durability under heavy use, oven safe to lower temp, limited size. 10-inch. Potential for hot spots, coating may degrade. Features: induction base, hard anodized, durable build, oven safe to 420 degrees F, dishwasher safe. 10-inch. Size, easy to clean, versatile use. This 10-inch Wodillo frying pan is great for making omelets and other foods. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick, and it's easy to clean. The pan has a special bottom that works on induction stoves. It is made to last and can even go in the oven up to 420 degrees F. You can also put it in the dishwasher to clean it. It's a useful pan for cooking many different meals. This 10-inch Wodillo frying pan is made with a strong material and has a special bottom that works on induction stoves. It has a non-stick surface so food does not stick, and it needs less oil for cooking, which is healthier and makes it easy to clean. You can even put it in the oven up to 420 degrees F and wash it in the dishwasher. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever and could scratch, so washing it by hand is a good idea. The pan is made of aluminum and might get hot spots, and the non-stick might wear out over time. Also, the bottom is not very thick, and it might not be the best for really heavy cooking.